Hi everybody, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today, I'm back with another Margex tutorial and we are learning how to easily hide your account balance on Margex. Hiding your account balance can help protect your financial information from prying eyes, especially during screen sharing, recordings, or public use. So, if you want to hide your account balance on Margex, let's get started and learn how. First, launch open the Margex application on your mobile device, or you may also visit the official Margex website and log into your account. After logging in, go ahead and look for the total balance button at the top left corner from the home page. There you will be able to see a small eye icon. If you tap on it, you'll be revealing the balance, and if you tap on it again, you'll be able to hide your balance in your account. So all you need to do is to tap the eye icon, and this will help you reveal or hide your total balance in your Margex application. So it is super simple, isn't it? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.